Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday math class here. Mr. Hardenstein, joined my cup of coffee this morning. I'm basically just gonna take you through a few basic things. It's pretty good. For how a regular math class will work, so that hopefully be prepared tomorrow. My plan is tomorrow, when we come in, it'll be a little bit more like a regular math class. I'm going to go over a couple things that everyone's going to have, and then I'm going to flip the camera down here to show you just kind of basics of how our entrance tests are going to look. First thing, things that you should have every day in your math class. I'm trying to make it so you don't have as much stuff to bring back and forth every day. Tomorrow, you'll get a folder with a packet in it. This packet is your textbook. So Thursday kids will get it Thursday, Friday kids will get it Friday. We won't start working out it until Friday when everybody has them. Packet will be posted online too. So kids that are online, you can still access your textbook from home, and then filling in notes, you can do it on loose leaf paper or your spiral notebook, composition notebook if you want to take notes in that. That's up to you. If you want to print this out at home, you can. Or if you want to have, a parent come to pick stuff up on Wednesdays for remote learners, you can get stuff gathered for the office. We can put packets in the office too if you really would rather work out of a packet, but that's up to you guys. So remote learners, you can access this online. I'll be posting it on Thursday as a textbook. If you want to print it, you can. If not, you'll work out from there. So every day for everybody that's coming to school, back and forth, for math, you'll have this folder with a packet in it that you'll get tomorrow. I'm giving that to you. You're on your supply list. We're supposed to have either a spiral notebook or a composition notebook is fine. So you got these two things right here for math, and obviously the pencil that you should have is right for everybody. So that's what you need for math every day. Your calculator, you don't need to bring it till it'll be roughly around Halloween. It's after we get done with negative calculations, and then from then on out, we'll be using calculators for the rest of the year. Right, and then it's up to you still if you don't want to bring one. I do have some that you can borrow, but it is good to have your own so that you can get used to using those. You're going to be using that scientific calculator for the about 3/4 to 2/3 of 7th grade, and you use it all of 8th grade as well. All right, so that's what you need for math every day. I'm going to flip this down real quick, the camera, and just show you. For tomorrow, I'll probably have to focus it here for a second. Tomorrow, how this part's going to work. So when we have an entrance task every day, you'll be doing those in your spiral notebook, or this is a composition notebook, either one is fine. What you'll do every day is you'll put entrance task, and there'll be some problems up on the board. You'll put ET and the date. Today is 9, I think today's the 15th. Is it 15th or 16th? I forget. Way ahead of myself here. Today's the 16th, 9/16. Alright? So, you put the entrance task in the date, and then you'll copy down whatever problem. Number 1 for today. This is not a real question. Okay, but normally it would be a real question, and we'll have, depending on what we're doing, I can give you a bunch. I give you a bunch of 8 or 10 problems if all the problems take only like a couple of seconds, or I might give you just one problem if that one problem is going to take a few minutes, and then we typically go over them. And this is just like kind of a running practice that we'll be using for our entrance test. So basically between this for our entrance test and then working out of our textbook packet there, which if you have a packet, you can work right in the packet. If not, you can work in either a separate spiral notebook or just split this in half and have one section be your notes packet section, and then packet work section, and have the other section be your entrance task. So I hope that makes sense for everyone, that this is all you need for math class, is really just a notebook to continue to work on, and then this folder and packet if you have it, or if you choose, you can work out of your spiral notebook with your sleep. Okay? That's it for today. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure that you got your attendance in on the Wednesday page where you had to answer the question on there, and anything that your other classes ask you to do as well. All right? I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.